Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to wrap trim around this outside corner and determine the angle with the Britain square. What you'll do is line up the Britain square to the outside corner. Line it up just right. Look at the angle. It's at 28.5 degrees. So you'll take 28.5 plus 45, which is 73.5. That's the total angle. And then if you want to cut a miter cut for that angle, you divide that in half, which is 36 3/4. All right, we'll set it to 36 3/4.